Imagine floating in space. It looks empty, but it's not. Space is filled with a constant, invisible rain. Not water, but something far stranger. Every 1,000 seconds, an Indian space instrument is struck by a tiny speck of this cosmic dust. This is not a guess, but a measurement that's changing how we see the void. So, what is this dust? It's ancient material, leftovers from the birth of our solar system. These particles, smaller than grains of sand, travel at mind-boggling speeds. Some move over 70 kilometers per second, microscopic cannonballs with enormous energy. They're everywhere. A persistent cloud Earth moves through. Space agencies care because these tiny projectiles are a real threat to satellites and missions. For years, we saw only the big pieces as shooting stars, but the micrometeoroids are too small to see. We needed a way to measure them directly. That's where a remarkable Indian instrument comes in, designed to listen to the whispers of this invisible cosmic rain. It's a story of discovery, danger, and the hidden world above our heads. The smallest things in space can hold the biggest secrets. And now, we're finally starting to listen. To solve the mystery, Indian scientists built DEX, the dust experiment. DEX is a small, ingenious box from ISRO's Space Physics Laboratory. Its mission count every time a dust particle from space hits it. Launched in 2023 aboard POEM-3, DEX began its work 650 kilometers above Earth. How does it work? When a high-speed particle hits its sensor, DEX detects a tiny burst of electricity. Each impact is recorded, time, intensity, everything. This direct measurement is crucial. Models can only guess, but DEX gives us real data. It was a test. Could a small, simple instrument survive and deliver results? The answer would surprise everyone. DEX was about to reveal just how busy and dangerous space really is. Sometimes the smallest detectives crack the biggest cases. For 5 days, DEX orbited Earth, silently listening. When the data arrived, scientists were stunned. Instead of a few impacts per hour, DEX was hit once every 17 minutes. Space wasn't a gentle drizzle. It was a steady downpour of microscopic projectiles. The invisible rain was heavier than anyone expected. This discovery proved the threat from cosmic dust is constant, not rare. Every satellite faces this barrage daily. DEX's success showed a small, low-cost instrument could deliver vital science. The lesson: space is far more dynamic and hazardous than we thought. Why does a tiny dust particle matter? Because of energy. Traveling at incredible speeds, even a speck can punch a crater in a satellite. Over time, thousands of impacts degrade surfaces, damage solar panels, and erode sensors. One unlucky hit can short-circuit electronics, disabling a satellite in an instant. Astronauts and future habitats on the Moon or Mars face the same threat. DEX's findings make it clear. Impacts are more frequent than we thought. We need stronger, smarter designs to survive this cosmic sandblasting. The dream of exploring and living in space depends on solving this problem. We can't avoid the dust, but we can prepare for it. DEX's discovery isn't just trivia. It's vital for everyone on Earth. Our lives depend on satellites for navigation, weather, and communication. Protecting them is a global priority. ISRO plans to use DEX-like instruments on future missions to the Moon, Mars, and beyond. Imagine a network of cosmic weather stations warning us of dust hazards across the solar system. Sometimes, the biggest breakthroughs come from the smallest experiments. Thanks to DEX, the invisible rain of space is no longer a mystery. By listening to these tiny whispers, we take a giant leap toward a safer future in space.